How to watch videos on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can watch videos on Pinterest. To begin, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Once you're on the home page, you can either scroll down to discover videos or click on the search icon to find videos related to a specific keyword. If you choose to scroll, explore the home page until you come across the videos. Alternatively, click on the search icon, enter a keyword related to your video you are looking for, and select the specific video from the search results. Once you have found the video you want to watch, click on it. Within the video view, you will notice an arrow. Click on it to expand and start watching the video right on Pinterest. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to watch videos on Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.